Powerscourt Waterfall is the highest waterfall in Ireland and it is open for public for a fee. It occupies 19 hectares of landscape gardens with a house of 13th century castle. You need to spend at least 1 hour and a half to appreciate and enjoy this place. It is 30 minutes away from Dublin, located in the Wicklow County. Powerscourt Estate is one of Europe's great treasure and Ireland's most famous estate. It is a heritage property with great family attraction and surprising differences. This estate was abandoned in 1974 due to fire and was renovated in 1996. Powerscourt Estate is one of the most beautiful gardens in Ireland and it ranked number 3 in the world's top 10 gardens by National Geographic. It is currently an outstanding 5-star hotel and an exceptional venue for corporate, charity, or social event. They cater from 6 to 160 people for golf or other catering needs. Connell Bridge is the main bridge in Dublin that connects the south side shopping area with the north side shopping area. This bridge is wider than its length. This is a gateway to the great shopping Temple Bar and it is a beautiful landmark in Dublin. Temple Bar is a tourist destination in central Dublin, Ireland. showcasing the nightlife and Dublin's cultural quarters. It was known as the district of St. Andrew's Parish in medieval times. It is located outside the city walls and was not used from 14th century because it was attacked by native Irish. And it was rebuilt in the 17th century by the Temple family. Currently, it is an area where cultural institutions are located like Irish Photography, National Photography Archive, and Irish Stock Exchange. We had a great fun on this 75-minute tour around the main sights and scenes of historic Dublin City. It was thrilling, informative, and very entertaining. St. Stephen's Green Park is a favorite park of both residents and visitors in Dublin. It is located in the heart of Dublin and one of the best parks and gardens in Dublin. Stephen's Green Shopping Centre is an indoor shopping center located on the south side of Dublin. It was also known as Dandelion Market and was known as the site of the U2's earliest gigs. They are selling punk badges, clothes, and posters. This is a 3-story building with unbelievable architecture. St. Nicholas Without is a church of Ireland and dedicated to St. Nicholas of Myra, the patron saint of sailors. The parish was divided into 2 parts, within the walls and without the walls. Thus, they got their names. St. Bridget's Church of Ireland was an ancient Irish church located on Dublin's south wall and dedicated to St. Bridget of Ireland. It is near St. Patrick's Cathedral. Christ Church Cathedral is located in the heart of Dublin. It is the oldest building in Dublin and still in use. It is known for its reputation as one of Ireland's finest choir. Trinity College Dublin is also called the University of Dublin, Ireland. It is a research university and was founded in 1592 by Queen Elizabeth I. This university was structured after Oxford and Cambridge and was called Mother of a University. National Museum of Ireland Natural History is housed on Merrion Street in Dublin, Ireland, and built in 1856. Admission is free. Merrion Square Park is located on the south side of Dublin city centre with a Georgian-inspired square garden. Mansion House is the official residence of the Lord Mayor of Dublin since 1715. And we had a chance to witness the actual shooting of a movie near St. Anne's Park and Dawson Hotel. We stopped by at the Arthur Guinness Brewery at St. James Gate, Dublin on our way to the airport. It is the best-selling alcoholic drink in Ireland and makes almost 2 billion euros worth of beer annually. And it is a must to take a picture at this Papal cross. This Papal cross was erected in Dublin Phoenix Park in 1979 during Pope John Paul II's pastoral visit in Ireland in September of 1979. Thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe.